Now when you edit your content with Riverside, we have new animation effects for your text overlays. So you can add things like lower thirds, names, and more information, and have them transition in and out with multiple custom animations. Let's jump into the Riverside editor and I'll show you how it works. Here I am in one of my Riverside studios, and I'll jump into a project, and let's jump into the editor here. Here in the Riverside editor, you'll see all the powerful tools available here on the right-hand side, including our text overlays. When we click text, here we're going to automatically suggest some things like your names for a speaker label, and even pull phrases from the transcript to make it easy to emphasize parts of your recording. Let's add a speaker label here. I'll choose this style, and of course you can move it around and place it wherever you'd like. And we can choose a different style here. Maybe we want to do an outline. We can also adjust the font size, multiple to choose from. And here under animation is where you'll see our new transition in and out for this overlay. Transitions include fades, zooming in or out, and sliding in from different directions, bottom, top, left, or right, or we can even have it pop on screen. Let's choose the pop animation, and then we can also choose how long we want this transition to appear. Let's go with 2 seconds, and for transition out, let's choose a fade, and we'll also set that at 2 seconds. You can change it to regular capitalization or all caps, and also change the color of the font here. If you have multiple lines of text, alignment to left, center, or right, and then you can choose to duplicate this, and if you have multiple layers, bring it forward, back, or copy. Let's preview this and see how those transitions look. You'll see as we play, the text popped in, and after a few seconds, it's going to fade out slowly over 2 seconds. Remember, you can edit the length of time that text or images overlay on your video by clicking here in the timeline and then dragging the in and out point right here. Now let's add another text overlay and choose some different animations. I'll click the text tool again. We'll choose a different style here, like this pill shape. I can click here in the text and type whatever I'd like. You can also change the size of the text overlay by dragging one of the corners here. And for this one, let's jump back into the animation tab. Let's choose zoom out for the in animation, and we'll have it slide for its transition out. Let's preview this. You see it zooms in, and then it slides out to transition away. And don't forget all the other powerful tools we have here in the Riverside editor, like our AI producer tools, including set pace, which will remove the perfect amount of silence, smooth speech, which will remove all filler words and unwanted sounds, and magic audio, which this video is actually talking about, can enhance any microphone to sound studio quality. You can also add animated captions across the entire video. We have lots of different animation and styles for that. I usually like the boxed look. And in addition to text overlays, you can also overlay images, search this royalty-free image library, and we'll try to preemptively choose some images based on your transcript. And as always, editing is as easy as selecting text here in the transcript and clicking delete, and now you've edited your audio and video. Then to export, go up to export in the top right corner, and with Riverside, you can export up to 4K high-quality video and audio, or jump over to the audio tab and export a WAV or MP3 file, perfect for a podcast host. And that's our new animation effects for text overlays. And there's lots of features here in the editor that we didn't cover. New ones like music overlays are available now. If you want to learn more about that, I'll put a video right up here. And don't forget to subscribe to the Riverside YouTube channel and hit that like button, because we cover every new feature in depth when it comes out. Plus we have long-form tutorials showing you how to use Riverside and make the most, whether you're doing live events, recordings, podcasts, and more. If you'd like an extended video on how to use the Riverside editor for all kinds of content, check out this video right up here. If you have any questions, leave comments below this video. I answer those personally. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see what you create.